Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Surya Fan Stories. Today we're gonna unbox this bubble wand. I'm just getting here and opening it right now. And that's the bubble and bubble wand. The bubble liquid over there. And I have the bubble wand and the bubble plate. And if you put the bubble wand on that green plate-like thing, you'll put it. Because you can't put the bubble wand in the bubble mixture because it's too big. So you'll pour the bubble mixture in there and then you do it. Now I'm opening the bubble mixture. Okay, now we're pouring it in. Okay. Now we're putting the wand in. And, oh, the bubble just went. Let's try again. That didn't really work, but I saw two of the bubbles. And also playing with these bubbles are so fun because it's the summer right now. We can do all things instead of winter where it's very cold. In summer, it's kind of warm. So when it's warm, we can do it. You can do any type of toy outside that we can do and we have. Now my brother's turn. Look at what bubbles he's making. I'm just waiting to pop the bubbles that he makes. But he's still doing it, so I'm just still popping the bubbles. Okay, so now it's my turn. I'm just gonna do a lot of them. I'm gonna do the same thing as he does, the same time. Look at the big bubble I made. I'm trying to get it. I want you all to try this summer because the summer is bright and fun. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and please hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.